guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to review two products. You must have heard about Lotus organic brand. So I have two products right here. I'm going to tell you in detail about these two products. These are completely organic products and you don't have to worry about SLS, paraben or any nasty chemicals inside the product. It is completely organic and safe to use for everyone. So if you want to know what these product does and how do they perform, then please keep on watching. So this is the first product, Lotus Care Intensive Scalp Care Shampoo. This is Lotus Organics Intensive Scalp Care Shampoo is carefully crafted with 100% certified organic ginger oil to clear flakes, build up and restore scalp health for overall happy hair. With this shampoo you will get very nice, lustrous, shiny, bouncy hair. If you have very flat hair, I do not have flat hair because of my curls, but if you have flat and very dull hair, then you should go for this shampoo. This will rejuvenate your scalp and it will give you very bouncy look which everybody loves. So basically this shampoo has ginger oil which helps you to give very bouncy and clean scalp. You get very bouncy hair. It nourishes your hair as well as it helps to strengthen your root so you don't get the hair fall, and as well as it helps to prevent the breakage of your hair. Also this shampoo is completely 100% vegan. It is not tested on animals. It has no sulfate, no artificial fragrance or no artificial color, and it suits for all hair types. Whether you have dry, whether you have oily, whether you have rough, frizzy, flat, however hair you have, this is for all hair type. Also for straight and curly, you can use this to cleanse your scalp. This is not going to harm your hair texture, so you do not need to worry that I have curly hair, so should I go for this. This is also CG approved because it has no sulfate and no parabens. So the next product is from Lotus Organics. It is an intensive scalp revitalizing tonic. I'll show you the packaging first. So this comes in a cardboard box like this, and then you have a pump bottle only. So basically this also comes in a pump packaging. The packaging is also plastic bottle and they have a secure cap over here. So this pump is a little bit different and they have no lock on this pump, but this is a secure packaging. So even if you are taking this in your travel pouch, I don't think it will have any spillage or anything, because the cap comes with this like the knob is there to cover this also, so no liquid will fall down. No liquid will come out. So this prevents hair fall, this prevents hair breakage, this strengthens your roots of your hair, and this also removes itchiness from your scalp. This removes like dry, flaky skin from your scalp. It gives you a nice smooth scalp as well as smooth and stretched strong hair. This will remove any hair breakage, any split ends. If you use it continuously, you will see the change inside your change in your hair. You should try this. It is completely organic, fragrance free, SLS, SLES free, no parabens, no nasty chemicals, completely vegan, 100% vegetarian product. So let me tell you how to use this product. So basically you take a few pumps on your palm. It's like a spray packaging, not exactly a pump packaging. Then you just apply it on your scalp like this. I have curly hair, so I apply like this. You can completely go inside your hair and apply like that. Oh my god. So this removes frizziness from your hair, or else you can directly spray in your hair if you have curly hair, and then just massage onto your scalp like this and you're good to go. This will remove any frizziness from your hair and will give you a nice clean and bouncy look on your hair. Also you can take a little bit on your palm and just apply it on your ends like this, and then you're good to go. So these were the two products I reviewed and gave you a demo in this video. I hope you must have liked it. I truly recommend these two products. If you want to buy these products, then you should check my description. I will put a link so you can buy it from there, and definitely you will have a discount coupon code as well in the description, so do not forget to check my description. And let me know in the comment box what do you feel about my video. Do you have any recommendation or do you have any suggestion what product should I review in next video? Or else you can just tell whatever you want to tell me in my comment box. I would really appreciate that. And with this I will finish this video, and I'll see you next time in my next video. Till the time, bye. And I feel this will be my last video of this year, so happy new year in advance, or if you're watching this on new year, then happy new year. I shall see you in next year. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Help me grow, as I love you. Love me also. I'll see you next time in my next video. Till time, bye. Happy new year in advance.